Okay, this is the last lecture of this class, since tomorrow is the last day of classes. So I'm going to be doing some final exam review. I'll be going over some of the practice problems that I released and talk about kind of how to think about them and how to solve them. Since we missed quite a few classes this semester due to the pandemic and due to the earthquake, I will be releasing videos from previous years to cover the material that we missed. However, that material will not be covered on our exam. It's just there for those of you that are curious and want to see what we missed. First, a few announcements. So, as I said, tomorrow is the last day of classes, and thus everything is due assignment-wise. So the LMS Phase 3 and 4 are due tomorrow night. Which means my office hours on Wednesday, which is reading day, will be just exam study review session. I won't officially go over problems like I am today, but just feel free to stop by, ask any questions about the exam or how I solved some of these problems I'm going to talk about today. And then same thing on Thursday. But just remember, those are at a different time now. I've made some updates to the logistics for the final exam. Make sure you read the page on Canvas called Final Exam Info. The exam will start, I've extended the window so you can start anytime between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And you can, once you start, you have 3 hours. So basically 50% more time than a normal 2-hour final exam. So you can finish no later than 5 p.m. if you start at 2 and take the 3 hours. I will not be making it longer than a normal final exam. I'm still, kind of targeting it to be like a normal exam. So this 50% extra time should just help account for any online issues. And the materials allowed, instead of just 5 pages of notes, again, go read the final exam info page on Canvas. I won't go over all the details here, but just to kind of summarize, you can use anything that's on Canvas or Piazza. You can use the lecture videos. You can use your own code, so your own solutions to assignments. You can use my solutions to assignments. You can access the database if you want. That doesn't mean that you will need to. I'm still writing it like a normal exam where you shouldn't need that stuff. But you can maybe use some of that 50% extra time if for some reason going and looking at some of this stuff would help you answer those questions, then feel free to.